Welcome to Hey Joe, where we answer your discount hydraulic hose questions, and our tech support expert Joe gives us the answers. Let's jump in. So our first question here today is on our part 9035S-02-02, and somebody asked, does the sealing washer pictured with this adapter come with each adapter?
Yes, it does. The O-ring and the seal retaining ring comes with this adapter. But whenever you see that S on the end, it will have the O-ring and the retaining seal rings.
Awesome. Sweet. And our next question here is, how do you tell the difference between JIC and SAE fittings?
Between JIC and SAE fittings, the JIC fittings have a 37-degree flare, while the SAE fittings have a 45-degree flare. It's just the difference in the cone of the flare is the difference.
Gotcha. And our next question here is about our R17-06 hose, asking if this hose can be used with Gates fittings and crimper.
Yes, our hose and fittings will work on other crimpers, but you have to use our crimp specifications. It's good to have a micro setting on your machine so you can adjust your crimping.
Sounds good. That's all we have for today. Thanks for tuning in. And as always, feel free to ask us questions on the site or even in the comments on these videos, and we'll be happy to answer them for you next time. Thanks.
See you next time.